turmeric is the wonder spice. Curcumin is an anti-inflammatory and supports heart health, diabetes, brains, and joints. It may have anti-cancer, anti-depression properties as well. I associate it with the heart, and I use it in most all of my drinks. I try to get it raw. Ginger may help to lower blood pressure, improve circulation, speed up metabolism, improve mental sharpness, and aid in heart performance and arthritis. It may help to increase eyesight and help in digestion, heartburn, and nausea. It's a natural detox, and it is super energizing and improves skin and muscle aches. To me, ginger is a must in all my drinks. It is far better than coffee or any 5-hour energy drink. If you want to feel the effects of juicing, add ginger. It is spicy, so start out with small amounts. I happen to like a lot. Radishes are antiviral, and they can be used as a digestive aid. They're very detoxifying, and they offer a good source of potassium and iron. They're anti-mucus, and they're good after having too much dairy, which causes mucus. It's great for common colds too. Collard greens, they may be the strongest cholesterol lowering of all greens, so I associate them with cholesterol. And wheatgrass is rich in chlorophyll, which is excellent at fighting infections. It's also very high in vitamin C and E and beta carotene. It's an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and antibiotic. But who likes to drink chlorophyll? So mask it with fruit sweeteners. If you want to do like the pros, then take a quick shot, but I like to mask it. This covers the 5 groups. When we get into mixing and blending, I'll talk about creating juices that are based specifically on health benefits. But before I leave, I'd like to mention a few other power foods. I have over here some powders that I use in either raw juices or smoothies. And that is acai and maca, spirulina, another chlorophyll that should be masked. This is chlorella powder, and this is hemp seeds. I will also use bee pollen. So all of these things can boost up your raw juice. We'll see you when we start blending.